Several events, movements, and trends in the Eastern and Southern neighborhood either drive or have the potential to drive the relationship between Turkey and the EU. From the potential for liberal mass movements and conservative or populist counter-movements, to Russian interventionism in the neighborhood and the conflict in Syria, the EU and Turkey's relationship is likely to shift. The two players can be pushed towards either conflict or cooperation depending on how trends develop. With these events in mind, the driver from the Southern and Eastern Neighborhood paper details how several events in the shared neighborhood are likely to influence Turkey-EU relations. Through providing historical background on several regional dynamics, the paper provides background on the trends that are likely to shape relations. Additionally, through discussing unlikely events and wildcard scenarios, the paper provides a basis for policymakers to think about improbable events which would have significant impacts on relations. Third, the paper makes a humble attempt to forecast the likely directions that Turkey-EU relations will be pushed by trends in the shared Eastern and Southern neighborhoods. The paper considers three scenarios: cooperation, conflict, and convergence. While at project outset, convergence, defined by Turkey's integration in the EU, appeared to remain on the table, events that have taken place since preclude it from serious discussion. Many drivers in the shared neighborhood still encourage Turkey-EU cooperation. However, numerous drivers also have the potential to generate conflict. Generally, we find that drivers in the Southern neighborhood are generally more likely to lead to cooperation, given Turkey and the EU's shared security interests in the region. In the Eastern neighborhood, where Turkey has less skin in the game than the European Union, drivers are likely to lead to conflict, although some trends are not clearly defined and could generate cooperation. Hence, the drivers discussed in the paper are likely to lead to continued pragmatic cooperation and, to a lesser extent, strain relations through conflict.